Now we have a very interesting session for which I think all the PG students are waiting. We had a PG quiz that was planned after the fever session. So I would request all the PGs who have come for the quiz to kindly come forward. We'll just have some sitting arrangement and start the quiz in the next 5 minutes. And I would request the audience also to please boost their morale and help them, but don't prompt in between. Our quiz judges will be Dr. Saibal Chakravarti sir and Dr. KM Singh sir. Sir is a very senior consultant physician in Ghaziabad, Dr. KM Singh sir and Dr. Saibal sir. He'll be the judges for the quiz, and the quiz masters will be Dr. Rohit Bhagat, and I will help him in the quiz, in conducting the quiz. हाँ हाँ. So I would request Dr. KM Singh sir to please come up on the dais.
And Dr. Rowley will explain you the rules.
So there will be each question will be given to the team as per the order that you are sitting, and there will be 5 marks for the correct answer. If you know the answer, only then answer, because if there is a wrong question, you will have a -2 mark. So you can also pass on the question to the next team. If the next team answers the answer correctly, you will have 2 extra marks, only +2 marks. And if you don't know the answer, the passing team will have to answer, or don't answer, will not be passing it further. ठीक है? So this way we have planned 2 rounds or 3 rounds. Accordingly, you'll get.
Ragi sir. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the NCR Conclave. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Medicine Conclave. So we are heading for the quiz. You all know the rules and regulations. So we start off now with question number 1. All the best. Brace up your minds and just apply them. Okay. Okay. So okay, so the first question is a 55-year-old female presents with shortness of breath and dry cough. Her symptoms progressed over a month and she has a history of rheumatoid arthritis 10 years ago. On auscultation, she has fine basilar crepes. And what is the most likely diagnosis of her
This
symptoms?
question is for Rama Medical College.
Right.
हाँ sir.
Yes, please, sir.
इसमें क्या वो अपना वो ऑब्जेक्टिव भी दिए
नहीं,
ऑब्जेक्टिव ही है.
ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है.
इसके वो
ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं
इसके
है.
बाद आएंगे आंसर, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट उसमें आएगा.
अच्छा वैसे आपको सीधे जवाब देना
हाँ,
हाँ, और
सीधे.
4/4 से मिलेगा.
acute hyperglycemia. ILD is not caused by mifepristone. In case if the patient is on short duration of mifepristone, then the possibility should be after surgery.
बट देयर इज नो हिस्ट्री ऑफ मफेप्रिस्टोन इंटेक तो वो तो कंसीडर ही है. अब वो क्या कहते
pneumoconiosis and any occupational state which be related with the Kaplan syndrome also. Yes, sir.
You are right in that way, but you see the question is not specific. They have mentioned rheumatoid arthritis with what sir said.
आंसर आएगा तो नहीं ना बाद में.
This is not mentioned.
आएगा ना. तो आप ले आओ आंसर.
It's
Okay, so the answer for this question is
उन्हें बोलने दीजिए जजेस को.
pulmonary fibrosis.
Also.
So next question now for Santosh Medical College.
Okay, what is Pell Epson fever? This question is for Santosh Medical College students.
Answer only if you are sure. There is a -2 marking also.
Come on, guys, time is running out.
You can pass if you don't know.
Pass.
All right.
Okay.
You want to answer? LLRM.
टाइम है जो क्या
अब इनका
वीकली फीवर होता है, हॉटकिन लिम्फोमा मिल रहा है,
What
पैटर्न
is
फीवर.
the definition?
what is the definition? You have to be specific.
Fever repeating every 14 days, every 7 days.
Fever repeating every 7 days. Sir, बताइए.
Remittent fever for more than a week in seen in Hodgkin lymphoma.
Oh, you're right, but then
टाइम
you
है
have
जो
to. Sir, would you please like to embrace?
As far as I know, so palace fever is in Hodgkin's lymphoma. It occurs for 7 days and then a gap of 12 days.
It's a cyclic fever.
So should we grant it to them? Grant it to them. All right.
Okay, I'll display the answer. So this is a cyclic fever lasting for 3 to 10 days with alternates with an afebrile period of the same duration. So you have febrile and afebrile phase for the same duration. And the classical example is Hodgkin's lymphoma. Sir, so with your permission, should we grant them the point? Right.
Now question for LLRM. Mirror.
Which anti-metabolite agent is used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis which inhibits the folic acid metabolism? LLRM.
Methotrexate.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely right.
Sitting for that.
आर यू एग्री
ठीक है। Sir,
वी आर हैविंग टू एम्पायर्स ना
ठीक। Next
Okay,
question. किसके
James.
लिए?
नो प्रॉम्प्टिंग
Prompt ना करें. James, now next question for James.
The next question is for James. What is the range of TSH that needs to be maintained in a female during pregnancy as per the American Thyroid Society? Please, no prompting.
Below 2.
Sorry?
Below
Sir.
2.
Nee, what is the range? Below 2 means
Range.
0 in the negative range also, no? You'll have to give the range. You can pass. Already you have answered, no?
No, no.
You already answered. So we'll decide now below 2 is correct or not.
Sir.
Huh? Sir, sir, but the range is not there, no? Okay, so should we grant them? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, congratulations. Now,
So the range
Max,
is, sir, the answer has been displayed.
now Max Hospital.
Okay, please define PO and its subtypes.
हाँ अभी तो सुना
We just
मैथ्स
discussed.
वालों ने बताया
Fever,
अभी सर का session
fever of 101.4 degree Fahrenheit or more with the in two occasions and with no known immunocompromised state and with obligatory investigations.
एक बार ना मास्क का आप नीचे करके लाउडली बोलो थोड़ा क्लैरिटी से नहीं सुनाई दे रहा फिर से बता दीजिए
Fever of temperature more than 101 degree Fahrenheit on two or more occasions with no known immunocompromised state and with obligatory investigations done lasting for more than 21 days.
and subtypes
Infectious, non-infectious causes.
ठीक है दो क्वेश्चन हो गए ठीक है सर
Sir, would you like to please,
not happy you want to try once again we'll give you some extra time
if you want to tell once again you can
that's
speak.
okay otherwise we'll just
take a chance
Fever of more than 101 degree.
You are right. The definition of diffuse is right. The next is its type.
what
The
are the
subtypes.
types
types
अरे अभी तो सुना था ना सर को कुछ तो याद है।
Infectious cause, non-infectious causes in infectious bacterial, fungal and viral infections. I don't understand what.
Three types are there.
We'll display.
That's
दिखा दीजिए. So this is the answer, sir. What should we do? We should give them half marks. So now, first round is over. Second round again we'll start with you guys, है ना? Rama Medical College.
okay. The next question is, which antiviral drug combination can be used to treat hepatitis C patients safely, even if the genotype assessment is not done?
ठीक है, right answer. Santosh Medical College, now your turn.
Name the red cell index which can be used to differentiate iron deficiency anemia and thalassemia. Question is for Santosh Medical College.
Menzer index. Menzer.
Sorry?
Menzer.
I will go to the answer because they say RDW is also, but RDW is affected by many other conditions. Like it is affected by chronic liver disease, B12 deficiency and everything. Menger's score is specific because in Menger's score you calculate red cell volume divided by red cell count. In case of thalassemia, the red cell volume decreases but the red cell count remains fixed. While in case of iron deficiency anemia, red cell size is reduced and red cell counts is also. I think Menger's score is more specific than RDW. Because RDW is affected by many conditions.
ठीक है, sir. All right. We'll grant them then. Now LLRM mirror.
Okay, the next question is, what are the patterns of fever and state each example of a pattern of fever? The time has started.
कंटिन्यूस फीवर होता है एक तो, और थ्रू आउट द मतलब थ्रू आउट द डे अब रहता है नॉर्मल से, और फ्लक्चुएशन 1 डिग्री से ज्यादा नहीं होता है.
Okay.
एक तो कंटिन्यूस फीवर हो गया. रेमिनेंट एक होता है इंटरमिटेंट फीवर.
सर इंटरमिटेंट फीवर में पेशेंट को फीवर आता है और दिन में एक बार सर पेशेंट का फीवर बेस लाइन को टच करता है और वापस से सर पेशेंट को फीवर आता है सर. एंड रेमिटेंट फीवर कंटिन्यूस पेशेंट को फीवर प्रेजेंट रहता है. एंड सर वन एग्जांपल इज ऑफ पल्स इन फीवर इन लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैड. एंड इंटरमिटेंट हो गया, रेमिटेंट, कंटिन्यूस भी हो गया.
ये आपने
So, step
examples
le-
में बताया भी continuous के.
कंटिन्यूस फीवर होता है, रेमिनेंट फीवर होता है, और कंटिन्यूस का एग्जांपल टाइफाइड फीवर हो गया.
दो ही डिफाइन करे ना आपने, दो ही पैटर्न्स बताए आपने.
इन कंटिन्यूस, इंटरमिटेंट और रेमिनेंट.
नहीं तो
Can you
एक्सप्लेन नहीं
give the
करें.
example of
Remittent fever and intermittent fever. Once again, just give example.
मलेरिया हो गया ना, इंटरमिटेंट मलेरिया.
Judges को बताओ.
हम तो
कंटिन्यूस में टाइफाइड हो गया, और
सर इंटरमिटेंट में ट्यूबरकुलोसिस, डायग्नल वेरिएशन पेशेंट को. एंड
फिर last 10 seconds, it's already we have given lots of time.
सर रेमिटेंट का एग्जांपल तो पल्स भी है.
Half mark.
According to me, after doing post-graduation, basic pass any of the examination with Hutchison or any, first thing first, you should know about it. That is not known, not acceptable. The definition for fever, must anywhere, any interview, any viva you go, you will definitely ask. Post-graduation in medicine, this has to be memorized.
I'll just display the answer. So the next question is for
Gyms.
Okay, the next question is for Jims. 34-year lady complains of painful and stiff joints. She has malar rash and recurrent mouth ulcers. A diagnosis of SLE is suspected and full auto antibody screen is sent to the laboratory. Which antibody is the most specific for the diagnosis?
Anti-DS-DNA. Anti-DS-DNA is most specific.
What is the sensitivity of ADDS? If it is negative, then you will go.
No,
Anti-DS DNA is negative. Then you rule out SLE or not?
no, no.
No, no. The other DNA and other.
Yes.
Because anti-DS DNA is specific only in 36%. It is sensitive, but it is specific but sensitive in only 36%. You have to do other tests.
Other test.
with the permission.
The answer is right.
Now, next question for Max Hospital.
What are the normal body temperature and its variations?
Variation according, diurnal variation and according to the site also. Diurnal variation.
डायरनल भी बता सकते हैं और अदरवाइज बॉडी टेम्परेचर का वेरिएशन भी बता सकते हैं.
98.6 degree Fahrenheit is the normal body temperature, and plus minus 1 degree centigrade.
1 degree centigrade.
1 degree Fahrenheit.
1 degree.
Fahrenheit. In the morning, in the morning, 99.5 is the fever, but in the evening, 99.5 degree Fahrenheit is it's the normal range.
ठीक है ना सर. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ फॉर रामा.
हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर कहाँ मिलता है?
What is the ideal site for measuring the temperature?
Yeah.
So ISO
कैस कहाँ मेजर
Where do you
करना है?
measure it?
Ideal temperature. Ideal. He has given.
Already given the
Already
answer.
given
सर
the
ने
answer.
बताया. रेक्टल टेम्परेचर.
Rectal. Highest कहाँ मिलता है? Where you will get the highest temperature in the body? Yeah. Tympanic membrane.
ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट राउंड 3 फॉर रामा अगेन योर चांस.
So the question is, a 55-year diabetic female came to the OPD with a report of deranged lipid profile. Which lipid parameter would you likely be elevated and require treatment?
Sir, in diabetic patients, LDL is raised, along with triglycerides may be raised, and cholesterol may be raised, but LDL is raised. And the treatment requires, if it goes LDL more than 160.
I'm just sorry for interrupting you. We have not asked for the treatment. And although obviously the whole lipid profile will be deranged, but what is one parameter that is the most common association, that has the most common association in diabetes? That will
LDL,
be
LDL is raised usually. LDL, cholesterol, LDL.
LDL cholesterol.
Please
is
don't
a
prompt.
wrong answer. Someone else you want to answer? Next team.
The next team.
Ma'am, triglycerides.
Yes. Triglyceride is the most commonly associated marker. That is. अच्छा, Dr. Pankaj wants.
No.
Sir,
That is what I am asking. If the triglycerides easy or raised, does it require treatment or not?
No, ma'am. No, sir.
when
Specifically,
it requires
triglyceride would not be requiring treatment. If it's associated with increased LDL, then we would be most likely to prescribe
should be
something.
treated. At which level TG should be treated?
I think more than 500 should be the range.
First
two
we have
parts
to
of
control the
the
diabetes, then
Yes, sir. Yes.
Does it, sir? But it, sir, Pankaj sir wants to answer. Sir, आप बताइए. नहीं, वो sir, there are two parts of the question. First, triglycerides doesn't require treatment.
Is LDL.
LDL, right? Huh? We have not
We are
mentioned
not asking
anywhere.
We
either
haven't mentioned the
atherosclerosis or
atherosclerotic
any
or
other
not.
observation. Right. 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 Right, sir.
Yeah.
Right.
If someone is having diabetes uncontrolled with high TG, first control diabetes and repeat lipid profile, and then we should plan.
Other thing is that the patient,
No, but the first was the first answer to the primary question.
पंकज अग्रवाल बहुत डिसाइड करके जाइए.
Sir, theme.
Sir,
आप
Sir,
लोग
please
decide.
decide.
करिए what should be the answer.
क्योंकि first part the answer is different and the second part of the question the answer is different. So what should be?
answer क्या है?
Answer का triglyceride है क्योंकि
नहीं, तो उसमें लिखा है ना and required treatment. उसका तो ये होता है if it is more than 500,
Yes,
then it
right.
requires treatment.
Otherwise,
If it is
yeah.
less than 500, then control the diabetes.
right.
So, agree? Granted? Granted.
Okay, the next question is for.
For you, na? Santosh Medical College.
So for Santosh Medical College, the next question is, what is the rail classification in COVID patients?
Pass.
Pass, you're passing.
Any idea?
LLRA mirror. No. James.
Pass.
Max Hospital. Answer.
So this is the rail classification. It was presented by Rong et al., which was published in Radiology in March 2020. It is basically, the full form is the radiological assessment of the lung edema, called as the RAIL score. And like 0 is like no involvement, 1 is less than 25%, 2 is 25 to 30%, 3 is 50 to 75, and 4 is more than 75% of involvement. So the next question, sir, would you like to add anything in this?
Next, LLRA mirror your turn.
Okay, name the calcimimetic agent used to treat secondary hyperparathyroidism in CKD patients.
Sorry?
Calcium acetate.
Calcium mimetic. Calcium acetate is itself a calcium salt. It is not a mimetic drug. You are answering calcium only, no? It's a salt of calcium. So we have asked for a calcium mimetic agent which mimics like calcium.
Sir,
So do you want to answer? Sorry? Do you want to answer? Rethink and answer. Rethink and answer.
He's given the answer.
No, but no, sir. The name of the salt is a. Matlab, he has not pronounced it correctly. It is cinacalcit actually. Cina, वही वही सब हो जाएगा.
so should we grant the marks?
हाँ हाँ.
Right.
So now, your turn, Jim's now. Question for Jim.
So the question for Jim is, what is the CT severity score for COVID?
It is taken as 25 each for it is taken up to 25. It's taken. It is taken up to
CT severity score.
core severity score, that is up to taken is 25. Based on the segment of the lung, each lung contains 25, means 5 segments. And each segment given 5. So if whole lung is involved, then it's 25.
Actually correct. It is-
Scoring
it is
बता
called-
सकते हो.
It indicates the area of involvement. Each segment given some point.
Five.
Total. That's right.
I think this is more than. Yeah. नहीं वो तो उसने बताया ना 5 पार्ट्स हैं और हर एक का 5 स्कोर
Right. So the next question is for Max Hospital. What are the monoclonal antibodies used for the treatment of COVID? Well, this is latest in the, well, we've been discussing it for a very long time. So you can mention any, there are a lot of monoclonal antibodies. You can mention
Tocilizumab
2 or
was
3.
used initially.
Sir, can you please take out your mask and just answer? Because-
Tocilizumab was used initially.
Sir, बताइए.
Tocilizumab was
Speak loudly.
Tocilizumab was used initially. Then Bevacizumab was used afterwards. Then now that combination Roche.
Okay, now round. This is the third round, fourth round. Whatever. Next round we.
This is the
have
last.
5 more questions.
22 seconds.
तो एक one more round we'll have. है ना? एक round.
Okay.
Rama Medical College.
Rama College, what is the latest oral treatment recommendations for COVID? Just like a month back, it has been published.
Oral medication for COVID. नहीं यहाँ पे करने के बाद
Pass, sir.
So the time is running out. Please keep a watch on the timer.
Pass. You want to pass? Want to answer?
No, ma'am.
Peltamavir,
फिर से बोलिए.
Peltamavir, Pfizer.
ठीक. Okay, now next question for Santosh Medical College.
Okay, what is Dravet syndrome and gene and the gene responsible for it? The mutation, why does it happen?
Pass.
Pass. दिखा दीजिए.
Okay, it is a claustrophobic form of epilepsy, which with prolonged seizures that affects one side of the body. It is very difficult to treat with anticonvulsants, and the gene responsible for is SCNA1A. Next question is LLRM. What is allergic rhinitis and modes of diagnosis? How do you diagnose it? Pretty easy question.
It's basically a clinical diagnosis. Patient present with a clinical symptoms of recurrent rhinitis, sneezing, post nasal drip. Can diagnose by a serum eosinophils levels, serum IgA levels. Can do biopsy also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good.
It is supplied by itself. The most important thing for any allergy is it's supplied by itself.
Next question for James.
The next question is what is sterolemia and causative organism and its types?
Tularemia is caused by brucellosis.
Sorry? Sir, please.
Causative,
Fast.
causative organism is Francisella tularensis.
And what are its types? So the various types is the ocular, granular, ocular, oropharyngeal, pneumonic, and typhoidal forms.
क्या करना है सर ना? One
Okay, the last question for the quiz
for Max.
for Max Hospital. What is the new variant emerging of for COVID emerging other than the Omicron in the process?
Del Micron.
Huh?
Del Micron.
Okay, okay, good. So give us some
And
time.
this is the right
post-lunch.
answer.
Post-lunch, sir, we'll get. Thank you.
Thank you, judges, and thank you every team who participated enthusiastically.
No lunch break. At least let them have some food.
Yeah, now we can
Acha,
proceed for the
okay,
lunch, and thank you very much.